Magic Marker, Episode 35. Sue is in the bedroom.
Where is Sue?
She is in the bedroom. Maxie! Taco! Where is Grandmother?
I don't know. Hello, children. Oh, Grandmother, you are back. Where is Maxie?
She is in the bathroom.
Where is Grandmother?
She is in the kitchen.
Here are some bananas.
Thank you, Grandmother.
Little Fox.
Magic Marker, Episode 36. There are 2 lamps in the living room.
Wow, the house is very messy. Let's clean up. Sue, there are 2 lamps. Can you clean the lamps? Yes, I can. Taco, there is a refrigerator in the kitchen. Please clean the refrigerator. Yes, Grandmother. Alex, there are 4 chairs in the dining room. Please clean the chairs.
Sure.
I'm finished, Grandmother.
I'm finished, Grandmother. I'm finished, Grandmother.
Where is Maxie? I don't know. What do you have, Maxie? Surprise! I have cookies and soda.
Little Fox.